have a given data already. So what I'm teaching you today is on Microsoft Excel and how to calculate your percentage. So right here I have some given data which I have actually, so you can deduce your own given data, and for you to be able to comprehend what I'm teaching you. So just follow it line by line. You can subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and then share the video to your friends who might be interested to know more about this. All right, so how to calculate percentage. So the first thing I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to calculate the obtained marks. I'll calculate the obtained marks. Now, so while calculating the obtained marks, all I need to do is to first of all sum up the figures together. So I'm going to sum up the figures right there together. So as I sum it up, I'm going to kind of press the equality sign first, and then press sum, okay, and then open the bracket to break it. And then doing that, I can go to this science and then click on the first course, this one. Now you see that it has shown B2. Then I can then put column. Now the moment I put column, then I will then come to this place, which is the last subject there is physics, and then I'll click on it. It automatically selects. You can close the bracket there and then press enter. So the moment you use the enter, you see that it has shown the result, the summation of Chinedu's result from science to physics. That is science, addition of science, English, maths, and physics. The result, the obtained marks is 157. So we can just come to this edge, at this edge of the node, down the cell, and then drag down. All right, just drag it down and then drop. It will automatically do the same thing for other cells here. It will automatically do the same thing for Carol, for Imole, Shade, Jumoke, Funke, Ali, Mohammed, and then Musa. It will do the same thing for them. Then we now have their result. Okay, so what that means again is we can further go on and say, okay, the percentage. Now I want to calculate the percentage. Now how do we get the percentage? All right, so all I will do is to just press equality sign. Don't forget, anything you are doing that has to do with calculation, you have to press equality sign. So when you press the equality sign, then you want to press G2, which is for this Chinedu's obtained mark, divided, that is forward slash. You press the forward slash divided by total marks of Chinedu, which ought to be his total mark, which is 400 marks. So you click on this, which is F2. All right, then you press the asterisk, that is multiplication, and when you press that asterisk, then multiply by 100. Now you press enter. So it gives you the percentage of Chinedu here. Now at this edge, this around there, I can just click and then drag down. It will automatically calculate the percentage of everyone for me. All right, you can do it this way. Now, so from that place, now you can now understand how you can calculate for your percentage. If you like this video and you enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thank you and God bless.